Yo guys, it's your boy Pip, man. It's another one, guys. Today we're using the beginner Pip Collector, guys. So here we are, guys. 780 USD running and counting, guys, and counting. Look at that, we just went to $834. Guys, it's been hectic, we've been busy. As you can see, this is my website right here, guys. Do visit it and check the content and see what's up, guys. So without saying much, guys, it's happening. It's Forex Pro, guys. So let me show you on the PC what we're doing so far on the PC, guys. It's happening. Look at that, 834 USD running in profit, guys. Running in profits. Look at this, all on the beginner Pip Collector, guys. And look at that, look at the entry way up there, guys, way up there. The system is still seeing the potential for the market to go upside. So guys, just to confirm, this is the beginner Pip Collector, not the ultimate version, guys, because the ultimate version is the highest asset, most profitable one, the most epic system that I have on Forex right now. So guys, look at that, we just touched 1,000. We just typed 1,000, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna show you the difference between these two systems right here. So I just want you to know that the beginner Pip Collector, the Pip Collector beginner, this is what we call this is the lowest system, and the accuracy of it, as you can see, is really accurate. I'm using it myself. But this one right here, that's the best of the best, guys. So let me go to the beginner one. So this is the one that's running the account right now, and this right here is the one that I'm talking about. This is the ultimate, hence it's so expensive and everything. But if you come here, this is the beginner one. It's also impressive, but look at this. There's still potential, guys, to go on. This is the best the system can offer, guys. Guys, it doesn't get better than this. And it's still early, guys. Guys, we've been producing some content for the beginner Pip Collector EA. I'm gonna launch it today, guys. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do subscribe so that whenever I release that content, you are amongst the first to know, guys. Because what happens is each and every time I release a YouTube video regarding my system, the following day I have over 15 sales in just one day, guys. You understand? So I have to work on the program, like authorize those accounts. As you can see, this system has authorization itself. You understand that you need to authorize it in order for the system to work on your account. So without wasting any of your time, guys, this is what's happening. Let me give you an update on what's gonna happen next. It's your boy Peter. We're definitely aiming to double the 1.8, guys. We deposited $1,800 US into this account, so we're expecting to double that. Guys. It doesn't get better than this. Is Forex Pro, guys. We've been in production. As you can see, even from behind, I've got a couple of umbrellas, but this is it, guys. It's a mess right here. It's a mess right now. So stay tuned on our YouTube channel and have a look on what the system can do. Any moment now, look at that. Let's hope it continues to go up, because like, what I'm aiming for is to triple this account. Maybe a target of 3,000 USD. That will be fine. That will be really nice. So without wasting any of your time, guys, it's your boy Pira signing. Oh, guys, it's your boy Pira. Guys, we're killing it, guys. 2.5 USD running 2.6. You can see, guys, the market is agreeing, guys. Look at this. Look at the equity there, 4,000. 2.6, 2.5. Guys, look at that. The beginner Pip Collector EA, guys. So there is no way as a beginner you're not gonna be able to make profits, guys. This is epic. 3,000 USD, guys. 3,000 USD, and it's still going, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Guys, this is epic. It doesn't get better than this, guys. We urge you. The beginner is still on a 50% special. It's Forex Pro. Go to our website, guys. Go to our website and go to products, and then trading robots. There is no way, guys. There is no way you're not gonna get the system, guys. There is no way. Just like that, there's the system, guys. There is the system. You understand? There at the bottom, there is your system, guys. There's the Pip Collector. Whoa. Everything just closed, guys. Everything. 3.2. That was the target. I told you 3.2 was the target, and we've just hit the target, guys. It doesn't get better than that. Guys. This is epic. This is epic. Epic results, guys. Epic results. And it's still going up, guys. You can see it's about to kick my screen out over the table, guys. Guys, this is epic. This is epic. This is epic. There's our details. Definitely do contact us. Definitely do contact us. It doesn't get better than this, guys. It doesn't. It never gets better than this, guys. A deposit of 1,800 USD to profits of 3,233 USD. All on the system, guys. All on the system. I want you to look at the name of the system right there. The name of the system. It doesn't get better than that, guys. It doesn't get better than this. Look at that. Look at that candle there. Look at that candle. The size of that candle, guys. The size of that candle. Look at this is where we entered our trades and this is where we exited. So it moved twice after our exit. we could have made over 6,000, guys, but the system, it closed here. I do not know why it did close there, but anyway, profits are profits, guys. Profits are better than wages. Definitely. So guys, here we are fully automated. You can see I'm not using anything. This is the system, guys. This is the system of the system, guys. The system of the system doesn't get better than that, guys. It doesn't get better than that. So boy Peter, definitely. Let me give you an update on the withdrawal and the status of where we are. And don't forget, this is the Pip Collector beginner. Here on the other side, we've got the ultimate version, guys. We've got the ultimate vision. So the blue one is the ultimate vision, hence it's so expensive, guys. So here we are. Let's see what's up. Boy Peter, signing out. Guys, this is the time to play with your money, guys. We're done. Just transfer 3,500 to another account so that we can fully plug comfortable, guys. There's the system, guys. Still on a 50%. Still on a 50% discount, guys. How long the discounts last, I will update you guys. So there's the Pip Collector Ultimate. Guys, it doesn't get better than this. It never gets better than this, guys. It never gets better than this. It's your boy Peter doing the most with the beginner Pip Collector Ultimate. Man, this is another thing, guys. This is another thing. This is another level, guys. It doesn't get better than that. Guys, I'm done for the day. Profits are better than wages, as in always. There's the system, guys. Obviously, do visit our YouTube. As you can see, we're still busy even now, guys. We're making some content for the YouTube, for the system, so that it's easier for people to familiarize themselves with the system. Because like right here, we only got the wording. So by next week, I'll definitely have the wording and some videos that people can actually definitely go into and read more about the system. But other than that, guys, everything else, guys, this is one of the systems that you will always be grateful for having, guys. It doesn't get better than that. So if you have any other further questions, do visit our website or do visit us or contact us through that email. But in most cases, we use this email for the clients, guys, for the clients. So definitely do use info@forexvillapro.com if you're requiring information. But here we are done. We are done with the Pip Collector beginner, guys. We are done. Boy Peter signing out. Yo, guys, the best is yet to come. I understand that the best is yet to come. We're still on it, guys. We're still on it. 390 USD still running, guys. It doesn't get better than this. And guys, we are ending our day very epically so, guys. Very epically so. So here we are. Just look at that. Look at that. 400 USD. 400 USD, guys. We definitely clean the market, guys. Definitely. Euro USD. We're measuring it. Look at that. From here to there. Now from there, we're going downward with it. Guys, it doesn't get better than this. Profits are profits at the end of the day. Regardless on how you look at it. Profits are profits, guys. Profits are profits. Just want to say, guys, we've had a nice day and appreciate your support. Thank you, guys. Here we are. I know being a fan, guys, watching from the sideline, that can be very tempting, but here we are. So guys, let me know, hit me up. It's the beginner. I have, just a summary of today's trades on YouTube. So definitely go have a look at that. Leave a nice comment. I will definitely highlight you back. So it seems like there's a little bit of a pullback. We're not scared, guys. We're not scared. The system will definitely close when it dims it. So here we are, guys. Here we are, 300 USD. This is beautiful. This is beauty. It doesn't get better than that, guys. So without saying more, let me sign out. It's your boy Peter. Just have a look at that.